Hello mga katami! Today we're going to prepare Mac-styled fried chicken. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you'll always get updated with my hugot pickup lines cooking. Ingredients and exact measurements are all listed at the description box below. Let's start the process by marinating the chicken. I have added here calamansi extract and fish sauce. Make sure that all parts of the chicken are being marinated. Hey babe, are you a chicken?
Why?
Because I can't stop chicken you out.
Duh.
To ensure that the marinade goes to all parts of the chicken, I use plastic bag and then I pour the marinade all over the chicken and seal it. You may also use sealable plastic for this process. This process is optional. You can also use only container to contain the marinade and the chicken.
Ikot-ikutin mo ang manok, tulad ng ginawang pagpapaikot sa'yo. Kahit sa manok, makaganti ka man lang. Marinate the chicken for about an hour or overnight.
In a casserole, add water. The water should be enough to cover the chicken. And then let's add the onion. Add the garlic. Add the black pepper. And then add the bay leaves. As well as add the salt.
Asin ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, ang alat mo sa akin eh.
Allow it to boil until you achieve a color like tea, like this one. And then you may add the whole chicken. Make sure that the chicken is submerged to the water. Do not overcook the chicken. Make sure to boil it around 10 to 15 minutes.
Tandaan mo, lahat ng sobra, masama. Tulad ng pagmamahal mo.
Bakit?
Nakakaloka na.
Occasionally turn the parts of the chicken to make sure that all parts are being boiled and cooked. Allow the chicken to dry it up. You may use a fan. After drying up the chicken, we may start the frying process. Add sufficient oil to cover the chicken. In frying, use only medium heat. Test the oil if it is ready by adding a little salt on it. And if it is ready, you can now fry the chicken.
Siguraduhin mong mainit ang mantika bago mo ilagay ang manok.
Bakit?
Siyempre, para maluto, alangan namang hilaw. Kasing hilaw ng feelings mo. Don't let yourself get hurt by this extremely hot oil, or else you will feel the same hurt like what your boyfriend did to you. Fry the chicken until it turns into golden brown. If you have air fryer, you can as well use that. So it is your option if you want to fry it using oil or using air fryer. Know that the chicken is well done if you achieve the consistent brown color all over the chicken. And now it's done. As you can see, we have achieved the right color for the fried chicken. I decided to cook also potato fries as side dish. And now it's done. Our Max-styled fried chicken. Thank you very much again for watching. Always remember na okay lang humugot sa pagluluto, basta ikasasarap ng menu. Ayun na po.